channel. So this channel officially has no agenda and no adult supervision. Just bunch of friends getting together, discussing about meaning of life, to why Maggie and pizzas taste better at 2 a.m. So hi, this is Ranjan and this is Vishal and I'm Apeksha. Welcome to our channel.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग आज?
आज बताओ तुम लोग.
क्रिकेट
Seems good.
T20 चल रहा है,
World Cup
अंडर
चल रहा है.
19 जीत के आए हैं.
और
क्या
मेल
बात
फीमेल
है.
रेशियो के हिसाब से क्रिकेट ही ठीक है.
मेजॉरिटी विंस.
क्या हुआ अंडर 19 में? जीत गए 6 टाइम, राइट?
I don't. Yeah, but
Yeah,
I think
it-
most in any other country.
Yeah, 6 टाइम.
कौन था वो स्टार प्लेयर क्रेजी 175 रन्स इन 80 बॉल्स? कुछ तो धूम मची है पूरे इंटरनेट पे. Don't remember.
वैभव सूर्यवंशी.
वो तो IPL से उसका, और वो 5 साल से 14 साल का ही है apparently. Allegedly.
हाँ.
So,
नहीं, दिख भी 14 ही रहा है. मुझे तो और भी कम लगा था. But yeah.
Bro, but what it means.
Yeah.
Crazy.
You
I
know
mean,
it.
I think England would have won it if it wasn't Vairbov
wasn't
Suryavanshi.
yeah.
Because
Like,
they also played like super well, right?
super well.
300 runs or
हाँ.
something like that.
मतलब 411 was not like a small total, but England was a good team, and they just kept losing wickets in between.
Yeah.
So
And I remember like we were sitting in the class and we were scrolling our screen
हाँ.
तो
continuously.
बेसिकली यही करते हम. आज भी पढ़ते हुए स्क्रॉल ही करते रहते हैं. Yeah. But funny, that reminds me of Kapil Dev वाला जो 83 का वर्ल्ड कप था. The
Okay.
same total, like he did around 170 something runs, like a big total.
Yeah.
He did in one of the Netherlands match. It wasn't
Kapil
Was
Dev
against
scored like-
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe. Yeah.
So he was the only one who like scored like good amount of runs in
Yeah.
that innings.
But that was not finals. right?
That was not final. That was some group
I
stage.
finals was against West Indies.
West Indies.
West Indies, yeah. So मुझे तो obviously पता नहीं था ये start. So वो रणवीर सिंह का मूवी आया था, तो we
Okay.
went to watch the movie.
Dhurandhar.
83. तो I liked it a lot and फिर मैंने घर पे आके डैड और अंकल को बोला कि अरे अच्छा मूवी दिखाते हैं. एंड दे लाइक अरे 4 घंटे का कहाँ मूवी. और जैसे ही कपिल वाला इनिंग्स आया and they both got so excited and they had so many insights about it. So वो मुझे जो ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग लगा कि इतने साल पहले हुआ था. But when you're really into something, तो
But they
ऐसे
might like
Back
our
then.
parents might have seen it live, so
हाँ
they would
yeah.
have a
And
better
it's
experience.
such a cool thing. 3 लोगों में she has insights about her dad's insights.
About
हाँ,
dad.
उतना मेरे को भी मालूम नहीं है. मेरे डैड ने देखा कि नहीं देखा वो.
Yeah.
But World Cup, Musin Naqvi,
Hmm.
India Pakistan. What's up? होगा क्या?
होना तो चाहिए.
देखते हैं.
देख.
I think they took a U-turn, right? Like they said that they will play India now.
हाँ, like politics aside, like they want to play. Eventually, any team would want to play cricket. They come here to, like, especially this is a World Cup. This is not like a series or something.
Yeah.
So it does make sense to play. अब neutral में खेलो कि अब इंडिया में बुला के खेलो, that shouldn't
हाँ,
come.
I they're playing in Sri Lanka though.
हाँ,
तो
हाँ.
venue तो neutral ही है.
Neutral ही है, तो eventually
But उनका boycott is more for Bangladesh.
हाँ.
पर बीइंग अ फाइनेंस स्टूडेंट और फाइनेंशियल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अगर देखा जाए तो जितना रेवेन्यू इंडिया पाकिस्तान देता है, like those matches give crazy revenue to like both the countries, also viewers, also like not viewers.
Not only both the countries,
But
like I think for
the whole-
all the
all-
countries.
all the countries.
Yeah. So I think no one would want, or everyone will be very proactive in taking efforts कि नहीं ये matches हो. They
Or
will
maybe
try to push
people
it.
eventually know that they will come back. So maybe ICC is not even trying that hard.
Yeah,
हाँ.
they know कि people would want to watch the match between
Yeah.
India. No one would want to miss it in any
Yeah.
way. Yeah.
It's a big game, right? Like even if you play it every weekend, it's a big game.
Yeah.
And
अरे
अपने
प्रैक्टिस मैच भी लोग देखेंगे. Doesn't have to be like the actual match. So
And that's the reason India Pakistan always been in the same group, like right from the start. वो सेम ही ग्रुप में रहते हैं.
स्पेशली T20s में तो आई थिंक
हाँ.
2007 से जो फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड कप हुआ था T20, they were in the same group.
Same group, right? We played the final against them.
Against them.
2007 का World Cup and that
Group.
catch, श्रीशांत वाला.
हाँ. Group वाला was like जो सुपर लाइक बॉल आउट हुआ था, राइट? दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम.
हाँ.
So like
First time super
इंडिया वाले तो
over.
अपने स्पिनर्स दिमाग लगाया धोनी ने उस टाइम पे, that he brought the spinners उस टाइम पे so that they can easily target the wickets.
Correct.
But Pakistan bowlers couldn't hit even one bowler couldn't hit the wicket. So
Yeah. Who is more lethal in Pakistan nowadays? क्या चल रहा है
bowlers में
bowlers में? I think Shaheen Shah Afridi is gone now.
हाँ, he had a time, मतलब पहले I think he was good.
Yeah.
But अभी I
कोई
don't
नहीं
know.
मारता उसको. Since India started hitting him, everyone has started.
I think the spinners, there are two spinners, right? एक तो वो
Nawaz.
illegal action वाला,
अरे हाँ वो
like spinner मलिंगा.
spinner मलिंगा.
और तो वैसे ही
वैसे ही
डालता है वो.
अच्छा, interesting.
Crazy वो है. And then they have Nawaz, I think.
हाँ.
Nawaz जिसको
Naseem is also there,
But
but not
वो तो
spinner है.
स्पिनर है, वो
Spinner.
पेसर है, लेकिन
Pacer
I
है.
think he's not playing
Oh.
in the.
Naseem Shah is not playing.
हाँ.
हाँ तो and Nawaz was the one जिसको बहुत पड़े थे ना. Last it wasn't World Cup, I think it was Asia Cup.
हाँ.
वो वाला मैच जो विराट कोहली ने
Virat
जिताया था.
Correct. नहीं, हारिस
रोफ को तो
Haris
2
Roth.
sixes and then Naseem took the
Naseem,
final
Naseem.
over.
फाइनल
Yeah,
ओवर में
yeah.
दिया था. Correct.
So I was watching some reel yesterday, and उसमें basically विराट is talking about his mindset कि उसने 2 sixes कैसे लगाए.
हाँ.
तो
correct.
like I am a very विराट fan, बहुत ही ज्यादा. तो we both saw the whole innings together. पूरा का पूरा इनिंग स्टार्ट टू
हमने
एंड
पूरा देखा. फिर हमारे घर में हमारा तीसरा दोस्त रहता है, उसको भी एंडिंग देखा.
एंडिंग दिखा है कि देखो
मतलब वो ओवर तक ऑलमोस्ट हार ही रहे थे.
लाइक टिल द
18th ओवर तक आई थिंक हार रहे थे.
हाँ.
18th के बाद आई थिंक जब 19th में वो सिक्सेस लगाए, फिर आई थिंक 4 भी चौका भी मारा था.
आई थिंक 8. हाँ वही यानी 18 बॉल में आई थिंक टिल 17th ओवर लाइक 18 बॉल में दे नीडेड लाइक 43 or
40,
something.
yeah 49 then the 2 sixes came and everything.
Yeah.
so एकदम ही क्रेजी मैच था वो. लाइक इवन द कमेंटेटर्स वर सेइंग कि हर एक जन अपने माइंडसेट के कितना अलग तरीके से, जैसे हार्दिक इज वेरी ऐसे नॉट इम्पेशेंट बट मोर लाइक कि आओ 2 ओवर में 40-50 रन फट करो. But you are so patient.
38 in like 35 balls or something. That's not Hardik.
Yeah.
वो
He
उसका
did
strike rate
40.
है ही है.
हाँ, yeah. But he like stayed like the entire match उसने hold, तो वो उसके nature के काफी खिलाफ था. And
I
everyone
think back then we had players who could hold strike. Like there was Virat Kohli. There was KL Rahul who could hold strike.
Yeah.
Shreyas Iyer
Akshar,
also
even
for
Akshar
that
is
matter. आज का
Yeah.
squad देख. You have Abhishek Sharma to start. अभिषेक शर्मा के साथ ईशान किशन
है
जो मारता है.
हाँ.
तिलक वर्मा मारता है.
सूर्या
मारता है. शिवम दुबे मारता है. हार्दिक पांड्या मारता है. And then comes Akshar. We don't have like
प्रॉपर
एक
ठहरा वाले players.
तो अगर
so it's like बना तो 100 बनेगा, बना तो 200-250 बनेगा, कुछ भी हो
बना तो 200 250 300 तक भी टच करेगा, लेकिन जब गिरे तो 100 भी मुश्किल रहेगा.
Like Domino's.
यूएसए का मैच भी वही ऑलमोस्ट वही हो रहा था ना. लाइक
Surya was the one, right?
हाँ.
जिसने 82-83 he scored.
हाँ.
I think he rescued us.
But dude, like talking about US, जो ऐसे underdog teams, नामीबिया, US, नेदरलैंड्स भी है, right? एंड एवरी मैच यू सी कि वो ऐसे वन साइडेड विक्ट्री नहीं है, लाइक
Yeah.
those teams are
Hmm.
putting up such a good fight.
अभी तो कल के ही मैच में साउथ अफ्रीका एंड अफगानिस्तान 2 सुपर ओवर हुआ.
हाँ, that's like the
Crazy.
first time in World Cup
हाँ.
history कि ऐसे
Yeah.
वो.
But Afghanistan, I would not say it's a weak team. It's no more a associate team.
हाँ.
वो लोग खेलते हैं. They have defeated Pakistan. They have defeated England also. They are big now. But US जैसा team. But US को बोल भी सकते हैं क्या छोटा टीम? सब इंडियंस तो है US में. It's like
But
mix
they
of
don't have
India
the
and Pakistan.
Experience तो नहीं है ना. They're very new.
मतलब on a stage like World Cup where like
Yeah.
top teams play, they don't have that.
Yeah, but I think these players have played Ranji and all.
The US players.
Yeah, because they are
Some of the Indian players
players
who went to US, they used to play Ranji in India.
Okay.
So Saurabh
Netrawal.
Netrawalkar or the Shubham guy, Shubham Ranjan.
हाँ रंजनी.
That guy. They
मुझे
used to
लगा
play.
सिलिकॉन वैली में कभी कभी टाइम मिल जाता है तो क्रिकेट खेलने लगते हैं.
देखने से तो वही लग रहा है कि फ्री टाइम होगा.
Free time होगा. But they played well. I think Pakistan के साथ भी decently अच्छा था. I mean Pakistan won by 30 runs. But it was decently good.
हाँ मतलब like you can't say कि one sided victories है, easy wins है कि आए खेले हो गया. It wasn't like that. So
कौन जीतेगा World Cup?
India of course.
Yeah, I believe India ही होगा.
If it's not India, then
If it's not India, then I believe West Indies have some good players, so they can also.
they have a stronger chance. Then
What about Australia and New Zealand? Where
Australia तो पिटा, पाकिस्तान ने पीटा उसको गंदा for like. But say Australia in World Cups is very different. Australia.
Correct. वो सीरीज वाला बात अलग है.
हाँ.
हाँ कि like Australia got defeated by 3-0. टीम मैच का सीरीज था and like it was a whitewash.
Okay.
But वो सीरीज था. But Australia in a World Cup तो वो अलग ही जोन में खेलते हैं वो लोग.
Yeah. I remember we नहीं somewhere we had gone 23 was that 23 World Cup ही था क्या हमारा और ऑस्ट्रेलिया का मैच?
हाँ फाइनल वो तो ODI वाला था.
ODI वाला. So this guy he starts crying.
अरे मेरे को तो दुख हो रहा था.
What the hell? कोई अगर वर्ल्ड कप जीता तो रो कैसे सकता है?
हारे थे हम लोग.
So bad.
उसके बाद जो T20 वर्ल्ड कप हुआ वो भी हार ही रहे थे वो साउथ अफ्रीका के अगेंस्ट. मैं तो मान ही लिया था कि हार गए हैं.
अरे ये तो मतलब
हिमाचल में थे and we were in a I don't know to call it a bar or a club or a mix of both. कुछ तो live music भी चल रहा था at the same time and we were watching this match.
yeah.
स्क्रीनिंग चल रहा है, हम लोग देख रहे हैं और हारते जा रहे हैं. and it was head right.
हाँ
like really
yeah.
and I told her कि चल let's step out. I can't watch this match anymore. तो हम लोग 5 मिनट बाहर गए, फिर से अंदर आए देखने and then we lost. और फिर
no crazy thing is he was wearing India jersey.
Yeah. So I was coming to that.
हाँ okay yeah your story.
So I cried. We stepped out. She was like, I'll buy you a cake. Come. तो हम लोग गए, केक वेक खरीदा जो भी है, बाहर आए और रास्ते पे जा रहा है. तो the moment I started walking, guys used to come and hug me. Bro ठीक है, होता है.
सही बात है.
Yeah. But I cried.
Like men and cricket, I think they are more emotionally connected to cricket than their girlfriends or wives or anyone else. जितना emotional connect cricket से है.
He would disagree.
He will agree.
क्रिकेट बचपन से देख रहे हैं.
हाँ.
वाइब से तो अभी मिले हैं.
You are in trouble.
I don't want to edit that part.
ये वाला पॉडकास्ट मत दिखाना सुष्मिता को.
क्या do you think like US or maybe America is the new market for cricket or is it Europe? Why I say this is because you see Scotland playing now, you see Ireland doing like really well. and there was Iceland also, right? Waiting for Pakistan
Mm-hmm.
Ah,
to
yeah,
boycott,
yeah.
and they were like,
Yeah.
"We want to come in, we want to play cricket." So
Who was
is
that team?
Europe like really big now? Like, is it the new market for cricket?
New, yes, but if you go like population dynamics के हिसाब से,
Hmm.
तो Asia will always be the
हाँ.
bigger market.
Yeah, पर एशिया तो था ही ना.
हाँ,
एशिया तो
new.
है ही.
हाँ, yeah.
Is it your?
I think markets था like जो अपन यूरोप में जो टीम्स है like स्कॉटलैंड हो गया, आयरलैंड हो गया, those teams were, and even for America, like even Canada was a team, like they played in the earlier World Cups, like 2003, I guess they played Canada, and Netherlands also played.
Canada were used to.
Yes,
I
yes.
think Canada also has a lot of Indian players.
हाँ.
Canada has a lot of Indians. So.
हाँ, correct, obviously. So even US was there. So it's like market. They are trying to make the market from a very long time, but it's like how they are able to capitalize on that. Like it's not getting popular because Canada में I think ice hockey बहुत ज़्यादा prefer करते हैं. US में तो either basketball or
Baseball.
They even
baseball.
play rugby also. Right?
England भी
US
खेलता है
has
ना
that,
baseball.
तो
Baseball.
baseball खेलते हैं.
Baseball
क्रिकेट में baseball चलता है. So I think to compete against those games, it might be a very difficult task considering कि ICC is like more concentrated in India. Like very few members are like you can say rich members of the ICC council. Like India है, Australia and England. These three are like the top members of the ICC council who have a say in.
Yeah. I think for a very long time it was also just Australia and England. Australia because they used to play well, and England because it's their game.
Their game, yeah.
But India, IPL so much
thing.
money coming in. I think now
it's surprising how even like West Indies has always been such a big team and you know such good players and good teams, but in the decision making and all we don't hear a lot coming from
I think
that
they had their time. Now it's like और उनका तो बहुत पंगा भी है ना. उनका बोर्ड में पॉलिटिक्स
बहुत गंदा है वहाँ. इसलिए many like good players like अभी recently the senior players जो थे क्रिस गेल हो गया, ड्वेन ब्रावो and ये तो सभी and मार्लन सैमुअल्स तो they all these were like they will only play league games. जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया का बिग बैश हो गया, इंडिया का IPL हो गया, they won't play their national for their national team. इतना पंगा हो गया था.
अरे okay.
I think but like politics aside it is a very good team like you said. जीत सकता है वर्ल्ड कप.
हाँ लाइक मैंने तो मेरे डैड अंकल से सुना है कि हमेशा पीटे जाते थे हम वेस्ट इंडीज से एंड यू नो लाइक खौफ था पूरा उनके टीम के बारे में. सो
and it's like I've heard this, I don't know, I'm not sure, but there is no repeat winner. Like back to back नहीं जीता है कोई T20 में. I think first one was India. Second 9 में पाकिस्तान
था, फिर इंग्लैंड
जीता, फिर I think West Indies जीता, and then was it Australia?
Then श्रीलंका जीता.
श्रीलंका
में हुआ था इंडिया के अगेंस्ट फाइनल.
श्रीलंका जीता. क्या लगता है श्रीलंका में पिचेस के बारे में?
I think it's more like how Indian pitches are.
By the way, अभी देखा ये जो सारे years और कौन जीता जो जैसे learn था दोनों को. कभी पूछो dates के बारे में, first date कब थी, anniversary कब थी, वो नहीं याद है.
अभी आने वाला है.
हाँ अच्छा.
इसी महीने.
Okay.
Nice. When is it, bro?
28th.
Nice.
बच गया.
What are you doing?
बच गए.
Is there something special that you're doing?
देखते हैं प्लानिंग
होगा. Actually इसमें भी ये फनी था कि our date मेरे को तो वो agreed था कि we earlier date was 29th February because वो leap year में हमारा शादी हो रहा है. But I was like ठीक है ना, अच्छा है
4 साल
कोई सवाल ही नहीं है।
29 तो बढ़िया डेट है, लोगों को बताएंगे तो हाँ अरे क्या बढ़िया डेट है, याद भी रहेगा, लोगों को याद रहेगा।
और खुद के कम खर्चे भी कम हो
कम हो
गए।
गए।
हाँ।
बट शी वाज लाइक नहीं नहीं 28 इज 28 ही करेंगे, तो
हाँ,
फाइनली
तो हर साल चाहिए ना।
हाँ तो 28 ही हुआ फिर।
हम्म। और अपना एशिया कप वापस आएगा?
एशिया कप तो अपना ही है।
नहीं नहीं, जो पाकिस्तान में है अभी अपना
अच्छा।
एशिया कप, या दुबई में, आई थिंक इट्स इन द एशियन क्रिकेट काउंसिल के ऑफिस में पड़ा है।
अच्छा
The Asia Cup that we won.
ओके हाँ
दिया नहीं ना अभी
दिया
तो
नहीं
कप,
है,
they
करेक्ट
did
करेक्ट
not give
करेक्ट
us the cup.
करेक्ट।
But do we
वो
really
चुरा
want
के
it? We
वो
know, right?
प्रेजेंटेशन के टाइम चुरा के लेके चला गया।
बैट में
वो
डालो
बच्चे
जल्दी।
रहते हैं ना छोटे, मेरा बैट है मैं लेके जाऊंगा।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
Yeah.
Some things are more symbolic. So it's like दोनों चीज है. You want it also because it depicts something. Plus at the same time सबको पता
पता
ही
ही
है
है,
यार,
हाँ,
हिस्ट्री
ठीक
में
है।
तो है ही कि अभी हम ही
ठीक है,
जीते, तो
हाँ।
क्यों ही चाहिए अभी.
Yeah.
And what's going on with women's cricket?
अरे यार
तुम
आरसीबी
लोग ही नहीं-
विमेंस वापस जीती है, that I know.
फॉलो
I
करोगे
know,
तो
but-
will do it.
हाँ, कैसे
मेंस
चलेगा
क्रिकेट भी
women's
तो
का?
कहाँ करते हैं
हम्म।
इतना ज्यादा. ये तो तुम लोगों का ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, that you should watch.
We तो watch.
every-
हाँ we
We watch.
watch it.
So I know कि आरसीबी विमेंस टीम दूसरी बार जीती है.
हम्म।
But
Did you watch the match?
No, I didn't.
दो ही
Are you such a
edition.
big RCB fan? You did not watch.
I would say I'm more of a Kohli fan than RCB fan. So yeah, but क्या चल रहा है वैसे विमेंस
वर्ल्ड कप जीते ना?
वर्ल्ड कप जीते ना अभी, वर्ल्ड
ODI
कप
वर्ल्ड
जीते।
कप।
आरसीबी याद है।
Oh, right.
RCB
Sorry,
विराट
sorry.
because of विराट कोहली।
I remember the ad.
Not because of women's cricket, विराट कोहली।
My bad, I accept. नहीं, but अभी मुझे वो एडवर्टीजमेंट भी याद आया कि एक कप हम हमारे लड़के भी, हमारे छोरे भी छोरियों से क्या कम है.
हाँ जब वो मेंस ने भी जीता था।
हाँ या
हम्म।
All right.
Alright.
I think, do we have anything more that we want to talk about cricket?
लगान देखी है.
लगान, कचरा,
कचरा. वो बॉलर जो तुम लोग बोल रहे थे, क्या मलिंगा, व्हाट?
स्पिनर मलिंगा।
I think कचरा was
क्या? What is
spinner
his name?
Malinga.
What is his name?
ये उसका
Is it
नाम
उस्मान ख्वाजा? No.
उस्मान ख्वाजा नहीं, अरे वो तो ऑस्ट्रेलियन बैट्समैन है, वो रिटायर हुआ अभी।
फंबल.
फंबल हो गया।
बहुत ही बड़ा. करो चैट जीपीटी करो.
अरे अभी मैच हुआ था ना यूएस का।
Oh, I know this guy. The chucking guy, no? उस्मान तारिक.
तारिक, हाँ।
लास्ट नेम गलत हो गया।
लास्ट टाइम गलत हो गया, आदमी भी चेंज हो गया।
टीम वर्क में सब कुछ
टीम
चेंज हो गया.
सब चेंज हो गया।
उस्मान तारिक। हाँ, तो you were asking Usman Tariq is like कचरा.
Is he? Don't say kachra. People will think kachra means garbage. No, the character is Lagan.
No, but Australia खेला and people got so frustrated. The players, they used to get out to him and then they would do this action.
ये क्या फेंक रहा है?
So I think you both should watch Lagan.
I watched Lagan multiple times.
मैं रिसेंटली तो नहीं देखा।
3 गुना लगान.
3 गुना।
3 गुना Lagan. 3 गुना देखो Lagan.
और क्या क्रिकेट मूवीज हैं? नमस्ते लंदन।
Namaste London is not cricket. It's
No.
rugby, is it?
It's
अरे किसी
not
पे तो
any
ही
game.
इज अ बॉलर राइट, अक्षय कुमार।
That is Patiala House.
हाँ
That's
पटियाला
Patiala
पटियाला
House. Yeah.
हाँ,
That's not Namaste London. Then there is 83 जो अभी आई.
83
There is
है।
Iqbal.
इकबाल बढ़िया मूवी।
कुछ
हाँ.
पाने की है
Yes,
और-
I think
बस,
that the
बस.
song that still motivates our generation.
हाँ.
आशा, that was a good movie.
Yeah, that was a good
और
movie.
वो जो बैट में जो पावर था,
चैन कुली की मैंने.
चैन कुली की.
Yeah.
वो तो ऑस्ट्रेलियन बैटर्स के बैट में स्प्रिंग था ना.
हाँ. और
You remember 2000
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हमारा ही.
Australian. So 2003 World Cup we lost and we lost so badly
हाँ,
that in
correct.
the news everyone started giving out Australian players
वो
के bat
पॉन्टिंग ने
में
स्प्रिंग लगाया
spring
बैट
लगाया.
में. तो इतना मारा
ये
इसे.
रीसेंट में हमारे बारे में भी तो किसी ने बोला, राइट?
अरे अभी कल का ही है ये. आई थिंक
श्रीलंकन
श्रीलंकन.
player.
हाँ हाँ.
Yeah.
तो ही
रबर कुछ तो
रबर लगाया
एक्स्ट्रा
है.
रबर है बैट्स को. You
Correct.
can't even buy them in
हाँ.
normal
दे हैव द
markets.
वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बैट्स बट उससे भी बेटर है. ऐसे कुछ तो भी एलिगेशंस लगाए हैं. और ये भी तो है क्या, मुझसे शादी करोगे?
Is that a
उसने-
cricket movie?
नहीं है कुछ बड़े से
क्रिकेट है ना उसमें एंड वाले सीन में.
अरे but the movie is not about cricket.
ऐसे तो कुछ भी बोल दूंगा.
क्रिकेट सीन और इवन रियल प्लेयर्स है. हरभजन सिंह है और कौन कौन है, इरफान पठान, हरभजन सिंह, वो लोग भी है ना.
ठीक है, तो मुझसे शादी करोगे?
हाँ,
देखो.
क्या वो फाइनली ऐसे क्रिकेट ग्राउंड पे जाके प्रपोज
करता है.
हम्म.
हाँ हाँ करेक्ट.
Was it Salman? Yeah, Salman.
Yeah,
Salman, हाँ.
Salman.
And Akshay Kumar was like so.
But I think the best cricket movie would still be Lagan, right? I think.
Don't know, man. Like a lot of people are like big Sachin fans, and they would argue कि Sachin का movie was the best.
But Sachin,
वो तो documentary
yeah, it
हाँ,
was a
it was like
biopic,
a-
right?
हाँ.
It was a biopic.
Oh,
So
there's
funny.
Dhoni then.
No, no.
अरे हाँ, धोनी.
धोनी वाला क्या था मूवी?
धोनी था.
MS धोनी. अच्छा,
Literal.
वो भी अच्छा
धोनी.
था, अच्छा था.
अब भी निकलता तो थाला बोलते वो movie.
हाँ.
So ये जो सचिन का बायोपिक है, I remember it came around 2017 और 2018. तो
हम्म.
मैं, मेरा भाई एंड हमारा एक दोस्त, तो हम तीनों देखने गए मूवी. एंड एक तो पूरे थिएटर में गिन चुन के 10 लड़कियां थी और सारे लड़के, और ये दोनों बंदे मेरे बाजू में बैठ के इतना फोकस से मूवी देख रहे हैं. एंड एंड में उसका रियल रिटायरमेंट सीन उन्होंने दिखाया है कि
ओके.
उसने पैर छुए थे ऑफ द पिच एंड ऑल, वो सब पूरा वो दिखाया है. एंड दीज टू गाइज आर सॉबिंग ऐसे पूरा ऐसे. मेरा भाई और मेरा फ्रेंड रो रहे हैं प्रॉपर, एंड आई एम लाइक डूड मरा नहीं है वो, ही इज स्टिल अलाइव, ही जस्ट रिटायर्ड. एंड लाइक यू विल नेवर नो दिस एंड दैट.
वो
सो
एक्चुअली वही रहता था कि मतलब ही यूज्ड टू बी ऐसा रहता कि टीम अगर 0 पे भी आउट हो रही है, ही विल स्कोर लाइक 90% ऑफ द रन्स एट अ वेरी गुड स्ट्राइक रेट.
Yeah, but then we used to lose now.
हाँ, that was on a losing cause.
Yeah.
That's true.
बट फिर भी वो मतलब रोने की चीज है क्या ये, कि क्या है अबाउट मेन एंड क्रिकेट, लाइक दे वांट टू क्राई अबाउट ऑल दिस इज.
Yeah, I think it's about sports. You see your football team losing, you cry.
You cry. Maybe because you have a connect कि तुम बचपन से देखते आ रहे हो.
Yeah.
So
It's such
like
a stupid thing, right? Like one team, one player, you attach your name
So
like,
much.
so emotionally,
हाँ.
and then you just attach yourself with that player or that team.
Yeah.
और वो हारते तो you feel bad.
Yeah.
It's a very weird thing. और कौन सा movie? There was the Shahid Kapoor movie, I think Jersey.
अरे
Jersey.
that was also a good
That-
movie.
that- बहुत अंडररेटेड मूवी एक्चुअली.
एक्चुअली वो थिएटर्स में शायद नहीं थी उतना दिन, वो डायरेक्टली नेटफ्लिक्स पे आई.
Netflix
पे
पे,
ही आ
हाँ.
रही है, I think. हाँ,
That's a
हाँ.
good movie. Virat Kohli will get this movie.
I think Bumrah is also getting his movie.
बुमराह को भी.
पढ़ा था बीच में.
बुमराह तो
I
खेल
don't-
रहा है,
not
right?
sure.
मेरे को तो
रिटायर तो होने दो.
Not sure. Could be just
पता चला
manufactured thing.
बुमराह का मूवी दिखा, दूसरे दिन से गंदा बॉलिंग करने लगा.
पार्ट 2 निकलेगा.
वाइड ही वाइड डाले.
नहीं, बुमराह तो बुरी बॉलिंग करेगा ऐसे.
वो-
मुझे बिल्कुल ही नहीं लगता.
Like some that Mary Kom thing happened, no?
अरे
हाँ.
भाई गंदा निकला है उसका.
But that was also so Mary Kom and Milkha ऐसे थोड़ा एक दूसरे के आजू बाजू में the movies were released,
Yeah.
maybe within a year or something
अच्छा,
like
भाग
that.
मिल्खा भाग एंड मैरी
Bhag
हाँ,
Milkha Bhag
हाँ,
and
हाँ,
Marry Come. So
correct.
I remember all of my friends they watched Bhag Milkha Bhag but did not watch Marry Come. So वो
In
भी
hindsight, I feel good they did.
Retrospect 10 साल बाद
10 साल बाद।
हाँ but still like I feel that women athletes and all एक तो इतने celebrated भी नहीं है और उनका उनके बारे में उतनी वो बबल और उतना हवा क्रिएट भी नहीं होता जैसे like taking my example that I watch थोड़ा फार cricket because of Virat but I don't have my favorite
in
women
women's
हाँ player कोई नहीं है तो
What do you think about Smriti Mandhana?
ah
About
good
the
player best
about the
player
proposal
and
and then calling off of the wedding.
that's so sad like it's sad
सैड एक तरीके देखो एक एंगल से सैड
Sad,
हुआ
अच्छा भी है।
अच्छा भी है
क्यों हाँ like हाँ
हाँ,
like,
सही टाइम पे
हाँ सही टाइम पे
वो हो गया
save-
ना
save
रंगे
it.
हाथों यहाँ सेव या
Yeah. We used to vibe on a reel of Smriti, Rohit Sharma, and one another player.
Jemima.
So basically, ये क्या यॉर्कर पे 6 कैसे मारते हो ना?
So,
she
हाँ,
says
She says that to Rohit that जो आप वाइड यॉर्कर पे 6 मारते हो ना,
वो मेरा
that's
favorite
crazy.
shot
That's
है.
my favorite shot. मैं मारता हो गया ऐसा shot.
And she's like हाँ हाँ मारते हो हमने कितनी बार देखा हम ट्राई भी करते हैं रेप्लिकेट हमने हाँ वो मेरा
My
फेवरेट
favorite
शॉट
shot
है
है.
Within 2 seconds मैंने मारा क्या तू
हाँ.
it's my favorite shot
करेक्ट करेक्ट
do you guys think Surya is becoming the new Rohit
That toss thing are you talking
yeah
about?
yeah the toss
Tell go on.
so toss हुआ and
वो पीछे से रोहित जा रहा
नहीं so
he forgot
हाँ तो
हाँ.
उसने पूछा कि क्या कैसा है हाउ इज द टीम लुकिंग क्या चीज जैसे ये वो तो इज लाइक कि हर्षित राणा को लिया है एंड सेकंड इज लाइक अरे क्या था अरे था कुछ तो अरे रोहित जैसे हो रहा
मुझे लगा
है
नेक्स्ट रोहित मतलब कैप्टन ऑफ दैट ओडीआई टीम या
वो
टेस्ट
तो हो ही सकता है
वैसा
वो-
एंगल में सोच रहा था
वो तो है ही.
वो तो हो
I
भी
don't think
सकता
so. He'll become captain of the ODI team because मेरे को नहीं लगता कि वो fit भी होता है ODI side. We have players that fit in better than Surya. So I
Correct.
think Surya will always be a
ओडीआई
T20,
मतलब सॉरी
T20 player and then T20 captain also. ODI में I'm not sure. And
Plus,
test तो
do
दूर
you
ही है.
guys
शुभमन गिल
think
तो आई
कि
डोंट थिंक क्या
ऐसे हो रहा है क्या कि जैसे अर्लियर एरा में देयर यूज्ड टू बी लाइक वन कैप्टन फॉर एक तो इतने फॉर्मेट्स भी नहीं होते थे जस्ट ओडीआई एंड टेस्ट राइट
हाँ
तो अभी दे लाइक डेलिबरेटली वांट टू डू दिस कि हर एक फॉर्मेट का एक अलग कैप्टन हो इज दिस व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू
I
या ऐसे हो रहा
I
है
think it's a very new thing.
Hmm.
See, Ravi Shastri was there and
Hmm.
Virat was there and Virat was captain of all the three
all the
formats.
three formats
Hmm.
And then he first retired his T20 captaincy. उसके साथ उसने ODI भी दे दिया. And then Rohit Sharma became like T20 ODI साथ में Rahul Dravid के अंदर. And then he was test captain also, right? later. I think it's under Gambhir where we have started seeing like different captains for different formats. And I don't think so it will go on for a long time because it's not that like we don't want one captain for all the formats. Maybe we don't have one captain for all the formats. Maybe we don't have that one strong player who plays like all the three formats.
करेक्ट
जैसे ODI में Shubman I don't know, but maybe it is KL or Shreyas who might captain one days. T20 तो we know it's Surya. Test कौन है टेस्ट
टेस्ट का शुभमन गिल टेस्ट का is like we are not really sure it's like still in a developing stage ki
Yeah.
we don't know the good squad to play with
Yeah.
because ठीक है इंग्लैंड वाला चलो ठीक है 2-2 they should have actually won that series
Yeah.
considering the fact
Do you
कि-
think test will like soon die or it will not? I know कि वो test championship every 4 years
Yeah,
is
yeah.
keeping it alive, but otherwise will it die?
I think it will be limited to only like a full members full member team because T20 क्या है a lot of like for publicity T20 is a good option. Like many countries can take part in it. But test is more like जो already established teams हैं या established
हाँ, यानी
countries
associate
हैं,
countries
हाँ,
नहीं खेलेंगे.
नहीं खेल पाएंगे. Yes.
I think that's true also, right? Like when you are an associate country in the game, when you don't practice so much or you don't have facilities like the top
Correct.
teams, or you don't get chances to play with the top teams, तो तुम बड़ा फॉर्मेट नहीं खेल
पाओगे. हाँ.
Like shorter format is like
हाँ.
quickly done.
Correct.
बड़ा फॉर्मेट खेलने के लिए you need a lot of practice. You need to play with bigger teams all the time.
But that is still a good entry point, right? You come and play T20s. एक एटलीस्ट तुम्हारा ग्राउंड वर्क हो जाता है एंड देन मे बी gradually you prepare yourself for like ODIs and tests.
I think Afghanistan was like that. They only used to play T20 mostly.
But they used to play one days also.
हाँ.
I don't think so. They still like they don't play test that much.
But they have played against full member team. Like Sri Lanka के against खेला है उन्होंने. India के against भी खेला है. So they have started playing test as well. But like test takes a lot of resource as well. Take time and resource and so
yeah. और पता नहीं कितना lucrative है भी.
Because not many people watch.
Yeah, money wise also it's not very lucrative. Like unless you play against India. That is where you get eyeballs and that is where you get money. Otherwise, it's not that lucrative. The same happened with this thing, right? The World Test Championship. I think it was Australia and who?
India.
No. This
South Africa.
South Africa, right? And it was in England, and England was like, we don't know if we'll make that kind of money because India is not there. So they had to slash the ticket prices. They had to slash whatever, like partners का जो पैसा आता है वो कम हो जाएगा all of that because India is not there. They will not get the eyeballs.
But South Africa won that test match, so that's how it.
They finally won.
So it's another interesting story that I remember about this test not being lucrative or लोग इतना ज़्यादा नहीं देखते हैं. So when I was doing my internship, तो हमारे जो like one of the sirs, so he went to England to watch the test match, the test series. So like being that dedicated, of course resources and all that is another part. You need to have that much money, but like इतना fandom भी है कि लोग एक country से दूसरे country जाते हैं just to see something like that.
I think for cricket it is there क्योंकि cricket like India is one sport country. अगर उसके लिए भी crazy नहीं बनेंगे तो किसके लिए crazy बनेंगे?
And plus maybe the players might feel differently, right? उनका उनकी skill that must be more tested in test than T20 or ODI. Like we don't know what the players feel कि उनको क्या खेलना ज़्यादा पसंद है, test ज़्यादा या T20 or ODI.
I think you'll ask any player and they'll be like test is test and T20 is T20, but they would love winning like an ODI World Cup. Like that is the ultimate thing.
Correct.
But yeah, test is challenge.
Yeah. ठीक है तो एंड करें अब इस नोट पे.
कितना टाइम हो गया? कितने घंटे
चला ये डिस्कशन?
पता नहीं है. Who has the timer?
No, I don't have the time.
No. Anyways, like, do you want to shut it?
Yeah, we can.
Close it down. Cool, guys. That's all for today. We're closing it off. Bye bye.
See you in the next podcast. Bye bye.